I'm going to be showing you how to buy eFootball mobile coins. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. So the first thing you need to know is to open your eFootball. So once you're there, you just need to be on your home page and you'll see all sorts of options here. Now what you need to do is look at the top where you can find this option of shop. Just go ahead and tap on shop, and now you have options like eFootball coins, eFootball points, and GP. Since you're trying to buy eFootball coins, just go ahead and tap on eFootball coins. Now once you're here, you'll see all sorts of packs here. You have packs of 260, 840, 343, 150, 50, and many more. So just choose a coin pack you would like to purchase. So I'm going to be purchasing this one. And once you select it, you can pay using Apple Pay, Apple Store, your Google Play balance, or your card. So coins are added instantly to your account. So that's how you do it. That's how you buy eFootball mobile coin. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.